on YouTube? It is your boy DS Dan. I am back again with another video for you guys. As you guys can see, we have the Air Jordan 3 Pine Greens on deck. I am going to give you guys a detail review and an arm feet, so stay tuned for the arm feet. But also guys, before we get into this video, all you guys out there, man, hit that thumbs up for your boy, bringing you these early reviews and arm feet so you guys can see how these shoes is looking. You can decide if you want them or not. Come on, show me some love by hitting that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and also click the notification bell, man, so you can get notified when I upload videos like these. The Air Jordan 3 Pine Greens, set to release October 30th with a retail price of $190. Send a big shout out to my people over at Chicago EMPORIUM. Always coming through for me, man. Appreciate them guys a lot. Their link will be in the description. Go give them a follow on Instagram. If you need kicks, whatever, go hit them up, all right? Very nice shoe, I must say. I wish it would have been leather, of course, but I'm not mad that it's in nubuck because it gives it a nice look for the season. You know, the season, fall season and stuff like that. Take a look at the box. Got that green box with the white Jumpman. Got the elephant print on the box, and you can see, take a look at the size tag. Air Jordan 3 Retro. The colorway is black, pine green, silver, white. Retail is $190. Inside the box, you got that regular speckle paper that they're coming with. They give us the elephant print. It looks very, very nice in my opinion, and it's that low elephant print, you know what I'm saying? Does not come with any extra set of laces. You got that nice nubuck on the upper of the shoe, as you guys can see, and it's in the front of the toe box with your elephant print going around. You do got the black laces. Would have been nice they would have gave us some, you know, some laces with the shoe, but they didn't. On the tongue, you got a nice soft nubuck on the tongue with your green and yellow Jumpman. Now when we come to the side of the shoe over here, you got the green eyelids where the laces go through, or nubuck on the upper. The nubuck is very soft, I must say. You got your green on the midsole, following, going with the elephant print going to the back, and you do got some white on the bottom, and you got your air bubble unit. Take a look at the medial, same as the lateral, white on the midsole, following with the green elephant print, as you guys can see, and you got your all nubuck on the upper of the shoe with your green eyelids. As for sizing, go true to size, you'll be good to go. Back of the shoe, Jumpman in the back. He is in like a silver. You got the Air elephant print back there with the green. I love that green, man. Here's the inner sole. We got an all green inner sole with the white Jumpman. Take a look at that bottom. You got your Jordan in the bottom with the green hits of white, gray. You guys can see. All right. Now, as for rating these on a 1 to 10, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I do like these a lot. And if I was to rate these, I would definitely give these a 8 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie. I just personally think that they look real nice, man, especially for this season coming. You know, fall's here. They looking fresh, man. Green, black, you know what I'm saying? Got the yellow hit on the tongue. I'm digging these, guys. I'm really digging these. Like I said, these release October 30th. Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below. I would like to know what you guys think. All you guys out there, man, thank you all for your support. Let's get straight into this on feet. It's your boy DS Dan. I'm gone.